fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some.
Hey! Smell you later.
Why are you hitting me? I'm so...
Ah! See ya! Ah! Your parents should be ashamed. What are you gonna do, Pew?
Don't be a jerk, Jimmy. I'm so... Oh, cool. But I know who
You'd
did
make
it.
Crabble Snitch proud.
After a while, stop it! I'm so...
You're laughable.
Hey, guys!
Dude, it's cool. It's
Too
me.
bad for
Let's
you.
talk it out.
I'm Kelly. Let's
Yep, it's not time for me to split.
We
Keep it
respect
real.
laws. We must punish.
You like that? I've got more.
Needs to be hurt. This just doesn't seem.
Why are you? If you're getting busted, just you wait. I'm so...
I'm glad you told. I don't know what to do. Ew, I'm so scared. Hey, Pally.
Why you even trying? Later.
I like your shirt, Don't Jimmy. Don't be a jerk, Jimmy. Why are
How's
you
it
hitting
hanging,
me?
man? You look good today. Got time? How you doing, man?
Hi there. See you soon. I like your shirt, Jimmy. I can't believe I just said that. Oh, hi.
What's up, bud?
I'm so telling on. Look out!
You ready to get worked?
It's not fair.
All you got is garbage. What's up, guy?
Hi. Oh, cool. Where'd you get that?
You alright, dude?
Hi. See ya. Gotta go. I'm so... Stop it! I'm so...
Hope you're not claustrophobic.
Sorry, but I have to go study.
Get on with it. That's what you get.
I'm so... I'm going to cry if you don't stop being mean.
That's not going down on my watch.
Alright, man. Hey, guy.
Don't be a jerk, Jimmy. Please, don't be so...
Don't know what to do.
Are you inbred or just naturally dumb? Hey there. Hey. Hey, what's new?
I'm telling.
Hey, what's up? Hey,
Why
buddy.
are you hitting me?
You make me laugh.
But why?
What's up, guy?
I don't know what to say.
Get off him!
I'll help you.
No, let me help!
Stop it!
Was that supposed to hurt? Are you hurting?
Gotta get to practice. See ya.
You gonna cry now?
You're dressed exceedingly well, Hopkins.
Get lost.
Bye. After I like your shirt, Jimmy.
Hey, guy. Alright.
I'm sorry you did that. Don't be a jerk, Jimmy. I'm so... I'm so...
You're an embarrassment to yourself.
You have to do
I
something.
don't know what to do. Eat it.
You better let her go.
Seems like you've only got one thing in
You think you're tough, huh?
I'm so telling on...
I don't know what
I'm
to do.
so telling on you.
He needs waves.
Please
How are
help.
things?
I'm so...
You good, buddy?
Please help.
That's sweet, man. I was gonna buy the smackdown.
I'm...
What's up, dude? What's up, man?
Please
Someone needs
help.
to be punished for this. I
Hi.
don't know what to do.
You alright, bud? You alright, dude? How's it hanging, man?
Please
Excellent reason to
help.
lay some beats on.
Hey, man. Hey, dude. How you doing, man?
I don't feel good.